How many of you enjoy reading or listening to story? Show me your hand. Thank you. How many of you enjoy telling story? Show me your hand. No, very well. Good. And just curious, how many of you want to increase the impact of whatever stories you're going to tell later on? Show me your hand. Thank you. And I'm going to share you another tool, how you are able to increase the impact of your story with an unexpected tool. That's called data. And the best way to tell this one is through a story. This is a story about Amy. True story. Amy was an admin in a construction project, and she need to transfer the leftover material to the new projects. And she need to use a lot of Excel spreadsheet and a lot of VLOOKUP. She need to scroll up and down. This kind of work, she takes 3 full days. And after she completed the job, she need to hand over to her manager for double checking. That will take another 2 full days. In total, how many days? 5 days. How many of you remember or you know someone that need to do this kind of tedious work month after month? Show me your hand. Thank you. Amy lived in that situation month after month. He felt trapped. He felt helpless. But the whole thing changed when she attended Excel training and she go back to her work and she does exactly the same thing, her job plus her manager's job. That's interesting. In total of 2, not hour, not minute, 2 seconds. That is a whole life changing for Amy. That is equivalent to 99.992%. Let's sink in. Isn't Amy's story give you a wow? That is impressive. What makes the story different? The number. So I'm going to share you a very simple technique, just 3 words. How many of you want to learn this one? Show me your hand. Thank you. The very first word is called context. Say with me, context. Thank you. So this one is to give a background of the stories, make it believable. Just like Amy's story. Rather than saying Amy's, the job is very time consuming. We say Amy's job need to take 5 full days. Instead of having this one, so give it weight. And another way, some people will say it's heavy. Another way say 100 kilogram. It gives people clear idea. So let's log this first C. Say together, context. Context. Thank you. Next C is called connect. Data is very flat. It's unemotional. So we have to connect to a human face. Amy's improvement of 99.992% is just not a number. It's related to Amy's relief of the struggle. It's an Amy's success. It's her celebration and her breakthrough. So this is how we are able to connect to human. One example, rather than saying 1,000 people lay off this quarter, we could say differently. Alan, one of the 1,000 people lay off this quarter, and he needs to drive Grab to support his family. Isn't it connect to us? Thank you. So let's log the second C together. Let's say connect. Thank you. And the third C is create. Especially when we have a contrast number, it paint a vivid picture. Just like Amy, 5 days work, now can complete the whole thing with 2 seconds. Literally, click, job done. Isn't it fantastic? So this is how we're able to create an image. Example, we could say, rather than saying 1 million liter water wasted, we could do something like half a liter of water, 2 million bottles of those wasted. It paints a clearer picture of us. So let's log in the third C together by saying create. Thank you. This 3C looks simple, but how to implement? How many of you want to have a simple and practical way to implement this in your work? Show me your hand. Thank you. So this go to the 3 tips. The first one, to find the before and after. Just like Amy's, 5 days compared to 2 seconds. Wow, that's a big impact. When we have a contrast number like that, people remember the most. And second tips, use relatable comparison. When we are seeing the number, ask ourselves, how this number looks like in something everyday term. Just like the water. Rather than saying 1 million liter, we say 2 million 50 ml bottles. Something 500. Thank you for correction. So it makes people relatable. And the third C, link it to emotion. Amy, 99.992% is not a number. It's her belief. It's her relief from the struggle. As a fellow trainer, coaches, and speakers, do you agree our work is to create? Yes. Create impact. There are many ways to create impact. One of the ways we just found out is using data. Data, some people they may have this belief, data is not for me. I'm not a data person. Do you aware just now, Zora said how the training provider industry works, how many people they got $1 million club? Do you notice a lot of people take out their phone and take photos? That is the power of data. So let's recap again by logging in. The first C is yes. Very good. Second C is yes. And the third C is yes. Very good. Some people they will say, hey, that is good, but I'm not a real data person. Could I get some support? The answer is yes. Thank you. Because of you say yes, please find me in the video. Mention this off, and I'm more than happy to share 1 or 2 tips how you're able to make your story much more impactful just by using. Thank you very much. Thank you for your energy and your participation.